My name is William D. Bishop. I am the managing partner of Bishop and Martin Law Office. I've been practicing family law for over 20 years now, and I'm a certified family law specialist. The distinction between a certified family law specialist and a general practitioner is that pursuant to the Arizona Board of Legal Specialization, the certified specialist must have knowledge and experience substantially higher than that possessed by the general practitioner who regularly handles family law cases. So not only do you have to show that you've handled a number of cases in very complex areas of family law, but at the same time that the skills that you have presented in court rise substantially higher than your average family law attorney. You must obtain references from other family law attorneys that you've had trials against, and you get references from judges as well. Now, these aren't references that the family law attorney goes out and asks for, but rather the state bar sends out questionnaires to judges and to a number of other attorneys to find out just how good of a trial attorney that you are. We're very selective about the attorneys that we hire. We go through a pretty rigorous process of hiring our attorneys. We get a lot of resumes in, and literally hundreds of attorneys send us resumes hoping for our job with the firm. We spend a lot of time with the attorneys before we hire them. We talk to judges. We talk to attorneys that have been on the other side of the cases with them. We don't just call their references, but we take a look at what other people have to say about these attorneys. You can find out a lot more about an attorney that they've had a case against in the courtroom as opposed to maybe somebody that they put on their list of referrals. So again, we call the judges, we call opposing counsel. We find out how they presented themselves in the courtroom, how thorough they were, how well prepared they were, how professional they were, how articulate they are before we ever hire them. One of the things that we do in our firm is not only do we do the regular continuing legal education that's provided through the various programs that are offered through the state bar, but we have our own internal continuing legal education programs. We meet with the attorneys individually, we drill them, we question them on areas of the law, we talk about new cases that have come down, we talk about changes in the statutes. We want to make sure that our attorneys know exactly what's going on with regard to the law and the changes of the law that are happening in family law. Cases are coming down on a monthly basis that change the law or continue to clarify what the laws are as they apply to custody, as they apply to property issues, as they apply to the various types of issues that you're going to run into in family law cases. We want our attorneys to be proactive, not reactive. A lot of times people complain that the lawyers don't know about their cases, or they call up the lawyers and the lawyers don't recall what the case is about. And that's one of the things that we're very, very committed to make sure that doesn't happen at our firm. It's real important to us to provide a game plan and a strategy to our clients up front. We need to learn the case early on, find out what the issues are. And one of the things we want to do is sit down and explain to the client, after we learn all the information, exactly what strategy we want to take, what game plan we want to follow. Certainly need to be prepared for if there's any changes, circumstances, or things that might be thrown our way. But at the same time, you need a game plan up front. You can't just go into a case and just kind of put it in cruise control. You need to take a direction and stick with that direction, be prepared for anything that comes up.